Aries, hi, welcome to Mystic Queen PH. At ito ang inyong love reading for September 2024. Ayan, so unahin natin yung mga in a relationship or you are connecting with someone. Ano yung parating sa inyong love life? You have the Ace of Cups. There is a love offer. Pwedeng itong person na nag-o-offer na to sa'yo ay isang Earth sign, Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn. I also see na merong peace offering, parang nakikipag-ayos, nakikipagbate. Pwedeng may tampuhan kayo ng person mo. Oo. Medyo, full of emotions dito. Maaring may mga frustration sa relationship ninyo. Tapos, hindi kayo nagkakaintindihan. But then, someone here is, kumbaga parang, mas pinipili niya yung kanyang relationship kesa dun sa sama ng loob na naramdaman niya. I also see that you will enjoy your relationship, your connections with others kahit na may karelasyon ka na romantic connection, pati sa friendship. You will also enjoy connections with your friends or family. Let's see what else, Aries. Fun times. Maaring meron kayong mga gagawin ng person mo na mag-enjoy kayo. This is bringing out the best in you. Parang pwede kasing wala kayong masyadong oras sa isa't isa at yun yung isa sa naging dahilan ng tampuhan ninyo, pag-aaway ninyo. So ngayon, gagawa ng paraan yung iyong person. Pwede rin reversal, no? Or ikaw yung gagawa ng paraan para makapag-enjoy kayo together. You are soulmate. There is a great connection here. May balance. Yes, pagdating naman kasi sa relationship, importante na may give and take, 'di ba? Oo, hindi yung isa lang lagi ang gustong napagbibigyan. Oo. Give and take. You will support your person and to support ka rin niya, 'di ba? Let's see what else. Growth. I'm trying to leave my comfort zone with this issue. So you are growing in this relationship. So maaring yung mga petty things, yung mga bagay na maliliit na bagay na napag-aawayan nyo or mga issues ninyo, kumbaga nagmamature na kayo eh. Hindi na kayo masyadong nagiging sensitive about it. You are growing. We must remember that we are gods, goddesses, and work to embody that energy. Yes. So, importante sa inyo that you have, you have the same, meron kayong parehong, meron kayong parehong pananaw sa buhay when it comes to relationship. Kasi kung magkaiba yung pananaw nyo, lagi kayong magka-clash. Oo. So, you know that pareho kayong, it's like you are equal in this relationship. Walang nakakalamang, walang nakakaangat, para hindi naman nai-insecure yung isa. Kasi minsan yung insecurity sa relationship, yun na yung nagiging dahilan ng pag-aaway, 'di ba? Kasi may insecurity. So let's see what else. New love o abundance. I feel like this is just a new relationship, no? Bago pa lang. Less than 1 year pa lang tong relationship na meron kayo with the Ace of Cups. Tsaka stable naman siya. Oo. Your needs are all met. May mga date nights kayo, maaring mahilig kayo magkape ng person mo. Isa yan sa mga fun times na gagawin nyo together. You will be spending a lot of money. Maaring medyo gagastos kayo ngayon to make time for each other. Which is also important, no? Na kasama yan eh. Kasama yung budget pagdating sa relationship. Na meron kayong may enjoy na activities together, especially traveling, giving gifts. So, pwedeng iba sa inyo, may marireceive kayo na regalo galing sa person nyo. Parang peace offering niya sa'yo. Have faith. Trust your faith in this situation. Yes. Ang daming butterfly, and it symbolizes transformation. This makes sense kasi it seems like nag-grow talaga kayo as a couple. Lalo na nagtitiwala kayo sa isa't isa na marami pa at malayo pa ang inyong mararating. Oo, sa relationship ninyo. Okay, so that is for in a relationship. Now, let's go sa mga singles. Ano naman yung messages, energies for the singles? Ibig sabihin, wala kayong karelasyon ngayon. Meron bang darating? May nagkaka-crush ba sa inyo? Aries singles. Queen of Cups. I feel like you are manifesting the love of your life. Na yung iba, parang gustong-gusto nyo na. Minsan nakaka-frustrate rin kasi, no? Pero darating naman yan. With the Four of Wands, pwede tong makikilala mo sa isang event or sa isang party. Pwedeng ipapakilala ng kamag-anak mo sa'yo. I feel like you're also enjoying the company of your friends, yung mga taong nagmamahal sa'yo, o diba, temperance. Possible na the person na darating sa buhay mo can be a water sign, Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces, or kapareho mong fire sign, which is Sagittarius. I think, hinihintay mo siya. Although nandun yung parang naiinip ka, pero alam mo sa sarili mo na darating itong taong to be with you. I feel like you're working on yourself. You are starting to improve yourself. Nag-e-effort ka eh. Ang Eight of Pentacles kasi is about putting effort sa iyong sarili. Oo. Kasi we're talking about love. Loving yourself. Focusing on yourself. So when you, kung ikaw magbibigay ng atensyon, pagmamahal sa sarili mo, mararamdaman niya ng iba, and you will be able to attract the person na kapareho ng iyong frequency. Pwedeng this person can be someone sa trabaho mo rin, someone na may business, career-oriented, wow, may property na. So, possible that this person is, kung whoever this is na makikilala mo, pwedeng ito ay established na sa buhay. Marami na siyang naipundar. Pwede rin yung sinabi ko kanina sa inyo na ipapakilala siya or makikilala mo siya through family, through friends. Like, example, ipapakilala siya ng iyong pinsan o kaya ng tito, tita mo, irereto sa'yo. But, at the same time, kahit na naghihintay ka lang dito sa person na to, you are still improving on yourself, focus ka rin sa career mo. Yung ba nga sa inyo rito, may mga properties na may sarili na kayong bahay, lupa. Because of you, I'm starting to see what is really important in life. Yes. Nakikita mo na kung ano importante sa'yo for the relationship. Hindi lang about the material things, but also yung tipo ng tao na gusto mong makasama. I feel your energy around me and I wonder, are you thinking of me too? So, possible rin na merong itong person na darating sa buhay mo, nararamdaman rin niya kasi parang naghahanap rin siya no? Naghahanap rin siya ng person or naghihintay rin siya ng partner sa buhay niya na darating. And then, it seems na you are parang prepare kayo para sa meet-up na to, para sa pagkikita na to. So, maaring ito ay mangyayari ngayong September. Express love through gifts. A small token of love can convey great appreciation. So, you will realize that this person ay siya na kapag mahilig siyang magregalo sa'yo or magbigay ng mga sweet nothings. So, any gift, malaki or maliit, mahal o mura lang, it doesn't matter kasi I feel like this person is going to be very thoughtful. Thoughtful siya na tao na minsan may dalang pagkain o kaya paabutan ka ng chocolate, ng candy or whatever. So, ganun siya. So, hang in there, no? Kapit lang dahil darating yung person for you, Aries. Okay? So, this is your reading. Thank you so much. Bye!